Not anytime soon, right? As we look at satellite and radar, we're not seeing much tonight across the area. We've got a few passing clouds, and one thing to note is the fact that the clouds are going to be increasing after midnight tonight, and that's going to set the stage for some more moisture rolling in, which could lead to additional chances of storms. We'll get to all that here in just a second, but comfortable temperatures tonight. We are in the upper 60s and lower 70s. We'll fall 4 or 5 more degrees. As we look at Futurecast, as I mentioned before, cloud cover, it increases by daybreak tomorrow morning, so expect it to be partly to mostly cloudy through 7 o'clock in the morning. I am a little concerned with what may or may not happen tomorrow evening. Note the storms out to the north and to the northwest. For us, most of tomorrow is going to be great. There are a lot of you that probably will not see a drop of rain, but some of you could see a few thunderstorms, especially in our northern counties as they make their way off to the north and to the northeast. But that's it. We're going to be done with any storm chance by 11 o'clock and midnight tomorrow night. This is a slight risk of severe weather. It does include our northern counties. And then as we look at Wednesday, things do begin to change a little bit. I do expect the coverage of rainfall and storms on Wednesday to be slightly higher than what we see tomorrow. So this is paused at 7 o'clock Wednesday morning. We're dealing with mostly cloudy skies. No surprise there, but there you go. A couple of discrete storms form Wednesday afternoon and evening, but the big question with both of these days, both Tuesday and Wednesday, where does the cap break? And does it break? And some of these models do indicate that we could see it break. And if that were to be the case, then the storms would be capable of producing some very large hail, possibly a tornado and damaging winds. But again, not everybody's going to see a storm. I do not expect widespread severe weather either day. But this front should be enough to at least lift the cap off for a few showers Thursday morning in deep East Texas. And this is a level 2 slight risk of severe weather. This does include most of the area. So time will tell. And again, this forecast, it can change and it definitely will change. But some of the dynamics are there. What is preventing us from seeing a widespread severe weather outbreak is the fact that we do have that very strong cap in place, which did bust a couple of forecasts last week, if you remember. 1 to 2 inches of rain expected over the next 7 days. That's exactly what we need. No complaints there. And I do expect it to remain active over the next 6 to 10 days. So what you'll see here in just a moment on my 7-day is the fact that we're going to have more rain chances, and that's going to be coupled with slightly warmer temperatures. Not saying we're going to see any triple digits anytime soon, just temperatures that are going to be deeper in the 80s than what we typically see for this time of the year. Lows in the upper 60s tonight, high temperatures back into the middle 80s tomorrow, and as we look at the next 7 days, we will see those storm chances both tomorrow and Wednesday. Could see a few showers Thursday. We'll be dry Friday and Saturday, and then a few more showers possible next Sunday and Monday. And then as we look at deep East Texas, a few thunderstorms possible over the next couple of days, especially Wednesday and Thursday. We'll be in the 70s and 80s Friday and Saturday. Isaac Casey.